Brilliant cop becomes a social media darling. A local policeman is now a social media darling following the release of a video of him conducting a spot check in what has been deemed the most professional manner.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The action of the policeman is being highlighted at a time when the police high command is expressing serious concern that the image of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF continues to be affected by some cops who are not adhering to guidelines and displaying professionalism while on the job. The officer in the video is seen instructing the female driver of a bus to present her documents for inspection. The driver, it appears, does not readily comply, but the policeman, in a forceful but not overbearing manner, manages to get his message across by informing the driver of what will be the outcome if she does not follow his instructions. If you don't have your driver's license, a national ID or your passport, this bus will stay here and go to the pound, the policeman warned.
If you don't have your driver's license, national ID or your passport, this bus will stay here and go to the pound. You need something on the road to identify because you're the driver.
Don't play around, driver. I am dead serious, he added.
Don't play around, driver. I am dead serious, driver.
While issuing his order, one passenger from the bus informs the policeman that he was being recorded. "See me a video here," the passenger told the cop. Instead of getting angry, the officer, who had a stern look on his face, paused briefly to smile for the camera before telling the passenger, "Brilliant," and indicating that he had no intention of standing down.
See me a video here.
Brilliant. You get that? Brilliant. Don't play around. I'm dead serious.
A number of social media users have lauded the officer on the way how he handled the situation. "I really admire how the officer dealt with it. He was firm but not too forceful, and he was clear with his instruction," said one user. Another person added, "This is how members of the JCF should conduct themselves." The development comes at a time when the conduct of the JCF members is once again under the spotlight following what the police high command described as disturbing allegations made against them by a fellow officer.
If you don't have your driver's license, national ID or your passport, this bus will stay here and go to the pound. You need something on the road to identify because you're the driver. Don't play around, driver. I am dead serious, driver.
See me a video here.
Brilliant. You get that? Brilliant. Don't play around. I'm dead serious.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.